Fire in the hole, let's make some smash burgers. Stay tuned. Howdy hi friends and neighbors, this is your old pal Root Boy Slim. I just got some bacon on the ballistic griddle. I thought you might enjoy watching some bacon cook for a while. Not for too long, just for a minute. As soon as that bacon gets cooked up, we're going to move it over to the indirect side of the griddle and we're going to make a smash burger. But we're going to do it my own way. Everybody's making smash burgers these days. I got to put my own spin on it. So stay tuned. So what I got here is some 80-20 ground beef that I'm going to season up with some salt, pepper, and garlic. This blend that I make myself with kosher salt, coarsely ground black pepper, and garlic powder. I'm going to season that up liberally, mix it up, get it all mixed up in there so that you can taste it. I'm going to make smash burgers. What I'm going to do is take about I need about a baseball sized ball of meat, like I think about that big right there. That's going to be my smash burger. So let me redirect your attention over here to the griddle and we'll get this going. So I have a nice puddle of bacon fat on my griddle. What I'm going to do is throw down an onion and a bell pepper like that. We're going to get that, let that start to sizzle up a little bit. As soon as that gets cooking a little bit, I think I'll throw some Tsangs down on there to help that along and give it a nice garlicky flavor too. There you go. Now you hear it cooking. Okay. So I got a bell pepper and an onion, and I got my ball of meat. I'm going to throw that right in the middle. I'm going to take my spatula and I'm going to put my parchment paper over the top of it like that, and I got my rolling pin and I'm going to smash that puppy down. Parchment paper off there. There's my smash burger. And embedded in the smash burger is a ring of onion and a ring of bell pepper, which you'll see when I flip that over. So let that cook a minute and I'll get it up and flip it over and I'll show you what that looks like. Here's the moment of truth. We're going to flip that puppy over. Hopefully it's going to look cool. And it does. It's got a ring of onion and a ring of bell pepper in there. We can clean our griddle off. We can take our brioche bun, stick him on there and get him toasted up. Toast him up in the bacon fat, and then we'll dress up this burger. First thing I want to do is get some cheese on there. We get a couple of slices of sharp cheddar. Get them melting on there. As soon as that gets melted down, we'll dress up this burger and we'll drink a beer and have a taste. That'll be the end of the video, so stay tuned. I got my toasted brioche bun. I'm going to drop a little bit of this. This is Tom's award-winning gourmet mustard sauce. This is a kind of a mustard-based barbecue sauce, kind of like a Carolina barbecue sauce. I'm going to drop some of that on there. Then I've got some butter lettuce. I'm going to throw down with some butter lettuce right there. A couple of tomatoes. Hard to get good tomatoes these days. Next we'll drop our burger on there. Still sizzling, hot off the grill. Our cheeseburger. We're going to get some bacon on there. A few slices of bacon. And that's not that homemade stuff. This is the store-bought stuff. This is the good stuff. My bacon failed last week, but it's all good. It's all good. One more piece of bacon for the bacon lovers out there. And that's it. That's my Western barbecue smash burger. I'm going to put a little bit of that sauce on top because that's some good stuff. That's Tom's gourmet mustard sauce. And don't that look good? I hate to put the top on it, but There it is. My Western Smashed Bacon Cheeseburger. You know that's got to be good. I got to go get a beer and take a taste of that, so stay tuned. There's the Frosty Root Boy mug, and here's today's beer from the Biscayne Bay Brewing Company, Siren's Saison. A Saison is a perfectly balanced farmhouse-style Belgian ale, 12 ounces. What's the ABV on that, Biscayne Bay Brewing Company? 6.9%. Not too bad, not too shabby. Full flavor beers made with unique ingredients. That's made in Miami, right here in my hometown. Let's get the top off of that and pour it out. It's a beautiful yellow ale. A farmhouse ale, a Saison. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I overfoamed. It's the first overfoam of 2018. What a mess I made. Oh boy. Well, this will go down in beer infamy. I just obtained beer infamy. That's my first overfoam, folks. Don't hold it against me, okay? I didn't overfoam all year yet, but the year is still young. So I probably will overfoam again. Anyway, that's my beer, the Biscayne Bay Saison. I don't think I can get it all in there without overfoaming again. Let's take a sniff of that. A Saison 6.9. Take a sniff. Ah, it smells great. You can smell the hops and barley. It's a beautiful color. Let's quaff the froth off it, Roll. Plenty of froth to quaff on this one. Oh man, that's excellent. I'm tasting all kinds of weird fruity notes in that. Not sure what's in it. I'll have to do more research, which means I'll have to drink some more of that beer because it's excellent. Biscayne Bay Siren's Saison. Let's take a taste of this burger, never mind the beer. You don't think that looks good? Let me tell you what. Let me move it where you can see it. Is that a beautiful burger or what? Let me get a squash on that and let me take a bite out of that. Look at that melty cheese right there and that bacon. Mmm. Mmm. Pardon me while I chew. Holy crap. That's one of the best one of the best burgers I've ever had. That SmashedBurger is outstanding. I hate showing you the burger with my tooth marks on it, but oh boy, too bad. Mmm. Oh, that's good. I'm sorry. I have my mouth full. That's an awesome burger. My Western BBQ Bacon SmashedBurger. Cheeseburger. Sorry, cheeseburger. I'm drooling about this thing. And this Biscayne Bay Saison, excellent. So I hope I redeemed myself from last week's failure, the bacon failure, which was still very good and very edible, but not really bacon, was it? And anyway, that's my SmashedBurger. That's how I do them, just with a rolling pin and my spatula. So anyway, babies, thank you for watching. Come back next week. We might not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer, and this Saison is excellent. If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up and see my boy Tom Tom, Cooking with Tom Tom. Got a link right there in the iCard. Go see Tom Tom. He's cooking up some cool stuff. You'll like his channel. Come back next week. Like I said, we may not cook anything good. This burger is outstanding. I can't wait to eat the rest of it. And subscribe to me. Come back next week. Subscribe to Tom Tom. And bye. That's all I got to say. Short video this week. Bye.